Hello, assalamu alaikum. Let's bake some fish today. I'm going to bake my fish. I'm not going to fry the fish anymore. I'm learning how to bake it. I have 4 fillets of tilapia, or you can have any fish you like. And then I have lemon zest, salt. I have dry cilantro leaves. I have chili pepper powder. And I have 3 cloves of garlic that I will mince. Then I have olive oil and I have lemon juice. I will mix all that together and rub it on the fish. And if you want to give your fish extra tandoori color, extra flavor, you can add 1 packet of seasoning mix from Goya. There it goes, right over the fish. And make sure the fish is covered with the rub the spices from all sides, and then let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now place your fish in a baking dish, and my oven is already preheated to 450 Fahrenheit. I'm going to put the fish in there now for 20 minutes, but I will check after 15 minutes. While our fish is baking, what we can do, take some cauliflower and then make a rub from dill. It's 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder, a tablespoon of olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt or less, and then you can make it up and put it on your cauliflower. I added some onions and a little bit more of dill, so I'm ready to put my cauliflower right in there with the fish. If you feel like adding some carrots or potatoes to it, go ahead, but for me, I'm just going with the cauliflower today. So while the fish is baking and the cauliflower is baking, we can make some salad. Salad is ready. Fish came out, it's still sizzling. Here comes the cauliflower, and the cauliflower is also smelling really amazing. And let's put everything together now. Bismillah. Lunch is ready, come and join us. We have baked fish, baked cauliflower, salad with some balsamic, and here we are. Bismillah. I'm ready to eat. So please come and join me. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and give me thumbs up, give me your feedback. I'll be waiting for your reactions. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye now. Bye. I'll see you soon with another idea. Have a good day. Bye bye.